Hey guys, at least once in your life, you need to try some sort of plank challenge. You tried multiple times to get abs, but working out is too expensive or taking too much time. For 30 days, you have to hold your body up in a straight line with elbows and feet on the floor and hands on the ground for 1 to 2 minutes. If you do it consistently, you might notice that it strengthens your back and upper body while also improving your core stability. With this challenge, you can transform yourself into a more powerful human being. There's no better workout than exercise routine. Day 1, you will feel an unpleasant pull in your back and shoulders, but it's just a sign that your body is improving. Day 2, you may start to feel a feeling of tightness in your legs, which is totally fine and normal. Day 3, the tone of your stomach muscles will become more intense. Day 4, the plank position becomes easier to hold onto. Day 5, you can easily do 45 seconds. Keep up the good work. Plank position is now in your routine. The 30 Days Plank Challenge is an exercise that includes the recommendation of spending a few minutes a day, every day doing planks. If you want to make it through this challenge successfully, I wouldn't suggest starting out with more than a minute. You should start off with 20-30 seconds, and at the end of 5 to 10 days, may choose to add more time when you desire. In addition, planks can be done in any position, on knees, seated on top of the glutes, etc. So do not limit your plank style to just on your knees. There are a wide variety of plank variations. Here are 3 of them. Foot rising plank. The foot rising plank is a great addition to the humble standard plank. Simply lay on your straight arms and start rising one leg at a time. It will add some great strength to your lower abs. Side plank with forefoot touching. This variation is a good one for beginners because it doesn't require you to use your arm strength to grasp the floor. Instead, you only need to be on your side. V plank. This plank variation will help develop spinal health and core strength, especially when performed from standing and with your elbows up and straight. Hold your body at a V position, then contract your abdominal muscles and hold it. Before I mention the feeling of tightness in your legs, although this sucks at first, it provides us with a great opportunity to really take our potential planks to the next level. The pulling sensations you experience are mostly in your hamstrings, glutes, mid-back area. These muscles are the base in which our body is supported. If you can ever get the feeling of tightness of these muscles while you are holding a plank, then it's time to challenge yourself to try adding weight to your planks. So if your goal is to be able to hold a 1-minute plank, then use your legs' core as support and try adding a plate on top of your glutes for just 20 seconds. This will leave you with great success and even better results. The last thing I want everyone to understand about this exercise is the importance it plays in your workout routine. Planks are considered part of an isolation exercise. With this exercise, you will not be moving around the gym in order to do a set number of reps or sets. You will spend time every day holding a plank, even if that is just 30 seconds. Planks are a crucial part of your fitness routine and should be worked on as often as possible. Important. Go to bed early every night in order to get enough sleep and rest. Wake up at the same time every morning to keep yourself on track with your routine. I hope you love this challenge and are going to try it. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.